Hello, friends. We're going to start reading today by doing some vocabulary words that we have learned this week. And we're going to use those words in thinking about making a salad. How many of you like lettuce salad? Do I see some hands up? Well, if you don't care for it, I bet somebody in your house does. So, we're going to review these words as we talk about salad. And the first word that I want to talk about starts with a T, and this is texture. When we think about texture, it means how does it feel? And right away, I think of my shirt that I have on right now. The texture of the lace is kind of bumpy, and it kind of tickles my fingers when I rub on it. Well, let's think of the texture of a piece of lettuce. Okay, lettuce is green. There's different kinds of lettuce. The lettuce that I use mostly comes what we call in a head. It's nice and round. But there's also leaf lettuce that is long instead of round. And there's different kinds of lettuce. But if you feel the lettuce, how do you think that might feel? What do you think the texture might be? I think if it's been in the refrigerator, it's going to feel cold. Do you think it might feel kind of bumpy a little bit, but then smooth? So some bumps and some smooth. That's kind of how I think of lettuce. If you're at home and you have some in your refrigerator, you could check it out if you have permission. All right, let's talk about the word confuse. If we're confused, we are mixed up, aren't we? Would it confuse you if someone asked if you wanted sugar on your salad? Would that make you think, what are they talking about? Do we put sugar on our salad? No, not normally. We might put salt and pepper on our salad, but we don't usually put sugar on our salad. So that would confuse us. We would be thinking, I don't know why they're asking us that question. Let's try another one. How about this word? Insist. If we insist on something, that means we're determined that it's going to happen. Or if someone else insists on something, that means they're determined that it's going to happen. Let's see how this applies to a salad. Would you insist on eating a freshly made salad or one that was made a week ago? Which one would you want? I know I would insist on a fresh salad. I would not want a salad that had been made a long time ago and it had all this yummy stuff on it, but then it gets all soggy and all yucky. And do you want to eat that salad? Me neither. So let's insist or be determined that we're going to have a fresh salad. Let's see another word. Two more. Describe. What words would you use to describe your favorite salad to eat? Okay, using description, describe. What kinds of words could you use to tell about the salad that you really, really like. I have two of them that I really, really like. And the one you probably already know about, and that's a taco salad. So maybe you'll pick that one. So I'm going to pick one that I can get at Bob Evans restaurant. And it has lettuce, it has chicken, it has pecans, and it has craisins. And I think it might have some bacon on it. And then it comes with a really yummy dressing. So those are the things that are on it. I also described it as yummy. It's also very filling. That means it makes my tummy full. But I feel so good after I eat that salad because it's something that's good for me, isn't it? All right, our last word. This is a long word. This is understand. This is actually a compound word because if we say this word, this is under, this is stand. So put it together and we have understand. What would you need to understand in order to make a salad? What would you need to know in order to make a salad? I think we would need to know what goes in it. And you can make salads lots and lots of different ways. It doesn't always have to be the same way. That's one of the nice things about salad. You can use what you have instead of always going to the store for the same thing. So, but you have to have a pretty good idea of what goes in a salad. You have to know how to cut the stuff that goes in a salad. So children should not be doing it on their own. They should be doing it with the help of an adult to help watch them as they're using the knife, or have the adult use the knife and you can put the stuff in the bowl. And we need to understand how much we're going to make. If we make this much and we have a whole family to eat, is that going to be enough? No. But what if Miss Dillon made a bowl this huge of salad and there's only me to eat it? Would that be fresh every day? No, because I couldn't eat that much salad, could I? So we kind of have to know how much to make as well. We have to understand that. All right, so those are our vocabulary review words for this week. I'll be back in just a minute.